Caribbean girl, them pretty, pretty. European girl, them pretty, pretty. London girl, them pretty.
Hey creatives, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making a crochet headband. Can't wait to show you guys how easy this is. So let's get right into it. So first you're going to start off with the chain stitch, just enough to be wrapped around your head. And then after that, you're just going to go ahead and start to do a double stitch. I would say about 8 rows, but if you want it a little thinner or thicker, you can do so as well. So I'm using a 4.0 millimeter crochet needle to do this. So now I'm on my last row of the double stitch to complete my headband. So as you can see, I have about 8 rows. Again, if you want this thicker, you can go up some more rows. If you want this a little bit thinner, you can go down some rows, but this is the width that I decided to do. So now you're just going to take both of your ends and then you're going to just stitch them together, either with your crochet needle doing a single stitch, or you can use a sewing needle that's thick enough to put your yarn through to do a quick stitch. And there you have it. This is what your headband should look like once you're done stitching your 2 pieces together, your 2 ends. So now I'm going to get ready to do the center part of the headband where you scrunch it up. I want it to be about 2.5 inches wide. So here I am just measuring it to make sure that's how wide I want it to be. And then now you're just going to do another chain stitch for 2.5 inches, and then you can do a couple of rows. I believe I did about 6 or 7 rows of double stitch, just enough so that it can wrap around the center part of your headband to create that scrunch look. So now your center part is complete. You're just going to turn your headband inside out, and then take your scrunch piece and fold it over where you sealed your two pieces on your headband together, and then you're going to do the same single stitch right through the center of that piece, or you can use your sewing needle again to sew right through that. You're just going to flip your headband back to its right side and then fix the center, and then that's it, guys. Your headband is complete. Hey guys, so this is the final product of my crochet headband. It was really quick and easy to make. Tell me what you think in the comments. Do you think this was easy? Do you like this? Do you want to see more tutorials like this, crocheting tutorials? I would love your feedback, and please don't forget to go ahead and subscribe and click that like button. And until next time, see you later, creatives.